Hi there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making potato candy. Yes, you heard that right. We are turning potatoes into a sweet and unique treat. This recipe is an easy and melt-in-your-mouth classic Southern treat. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. Now, to get started, prepare the mashed potatoes. Bring a small saucepan of water to a boil, then add the peeled and quartered potatoes and cook until a knife pierces the potato easily, which should take about 12 minutes. Once the potatoes are done cooking, use a ricer or a fork to mash the potatoes until completely smooth. If you happen to already have unseasoned leftover mashed potatoes, then you can just go ahead and skip this step. In a bowl, add half a cup of the mashed potatoes, salt, and vanilla extract. Let the mixture cool completely. Then place the cooled potato in a bowl and use an electric mixer to mix the potato, and then add 1 cup of confectioner's sugar and continue mixing until thoroughly combined. When adding the confectioner's sugar, the mixture will first look watery, but then it will transform into a pliable dough as you add more of the confectioner's sugar. So you can just continue adding 1 cup of confectioner's sugar at a time until a smooth and pliable dough forms, just like the texture of Play-Doh. Refrigerate the dough for 1 hour. Then divide the dough in half and transfer half of the dough onto a large sheet of parchment paper. Then roll out the dough into a rectangle about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. Then use a knife to slice off the edges to create a neat rectangle. Spread a thin layer of peanut butter over the entire rectangle, with the exception of a 1/4 inch around the edges. Any type of nut butter would work well here. However, opt for nut butters that are thick like traditional peanut butter. Lift the long edge of the dough and roll the dough into a tight log. Use the parchment paper to wrap the potato candy and twist the edges to close. Refrigerate the potato candy until firm. Then slice the dough into 1/2 inch thick slices. Serve and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.